This is a Holley 350 pumper McDouble, you know? 4-barrel.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils. This is Willie and Max. Today we are rebuilding this 4-barrel Holley Carb for the 1966 Chevy C10 project we've got going on. So we'll cut over to the engine bay of us pulling the carb out, and then we'll show you the kit here.
Shh, it was like a couple days ago.
So zoomed in on your ugly ass face.
So I'm not sure if we mentioned it before or not, but this thing was pissing gas a lot out of the front of the carb. I just made a discovery. Every time the accelerator pump is actuated, it's pissing gas all over the place. We knew it was leaking from the accelerator pump because we could see it was wet. I just thought it was leaking all the time, but it's every time it's actuated. So, see that? Look, the seals are pushing out of it. Look how much gas is in there. Yeah, so this is a Holley, I think. Oh, yep, sure is. So there's a lot of gas all over this box.
Yeah.
Reproduce. Bro, what? Hit directly on the lens. What are you talking about?
Bo just threw this soda can at me.
You, dude.
What?
You. Shut the up, tit! God. This is a complete rebuild kit from Holley, which is like actually really good. I'm surprised. I think you've probably seen us rebuild enough motorcycle carbs in the past, and it's just like a bag like this big with just like a whole bunch of brass pieces and a few gaskets. This one has a lot. I don't think that all of these are going to be used because like some of these are almost identical with a few different holes. Like there's 4 of these. They're almost identical. I'm going to be honest. This is our first 4-barrel. I've rebuilt the carbs in this thing, the MGB, like 3 times because it sits and then they get gummed up and then I rebuild them again and spend a lot of money on rebuild kits. But those are exactly like motorcycle carbs. So this is the first one for me. I'm pretty confident it's still a carburetor, just in a different format. So we're gonna follow instructions and try not to screw it up because it's not our car, so we're gonna do it.
It did come with pretty nice documentation. Most carb kits just come with a bag of brass parts and seals. And
adjustments too.
Yeah.
And needle and seat cross reference. So usually we're breaking out the factory service manual for a bike to try and figure out needle we need or what size jets, and you know, now it's all done for us. It's
all right here. Here's the box that the kit came in.
It comes with all the good stuff too, not just gaskets, all the brass. And I think this is a float level gauge too, which is pretty cool. So if you don't have a caliper, you can just use this guy and
it was actually a pretty reasonable price too, right? Like $30 or something.
Yeah, I think it's like $35 or
yeah. All right.
But luckily
let's jump into it.
So I just pulled this inlet off the bowl here, and Holley's nice enough to put a screen in there. And I don't know if you can see just how much shit is in there, but it's like packed full. There's like a cotton ball in there, just random dirt. Like it looks like there's wood in there, definitely some sand. I don't know, I guess this thing was run without a fuel filter for a while. There's still some more stuff in there. I don't think there's new screens with the kit, so I guess we'll have to clean those out as best we can. We'll keep on carrying on. We just sprayed everything down. It wasn't like atrociously dirty, I wouldn't say. Like some of our motorcycle carbs have been way worse than this, but there was a good amount of like kind of silty debris in there. So the carb body itself was too big to put in the dunk, and there's not a ton of passages in the body. I mean, there's a good amount, but the metering block or the power valve thing McJobber.
Connected by a non-reversible Tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the gram meters.
It has a lot more holes in it, so I want to make sure those are clean and the bowls are clean. And then we just sprayed these out with carb cleaner with the little hose, all the little passageways. And then blew it out with compressed air and kind of give things a wipe down, make it a little prettier. And put the base back on the body here. And I think we're just waiting a little bit for those to soak some more. And once those are done soaking, we can really get back to reassembling all the big pieces.
Are we doing installing now?
I think so.
You finished it?
I think so.
Okay.
I think this is underneath the carburetor. And it shouldn't be.
Are you done yet?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I like that vacuum line right there.
It's not vacuum line.
It's clear so you can see the vacuum.
Oh yeah. Still filling with fuel. Might have to give it some pumps. Yeah.
This thing's a lowrider, dude. Sitting here clutching like this.
Yeah, we did a really basic carb clean and rebuild and slapped it back on, and now it runs again, sorta. The idle needs to be adjusted and we have to adjust timing. I already did it, but we'll show you again. Yeah, we need to do that stuff and hopefully it'll idle a little bit better, and probably have to take some fuel away from it. It's pretty rich.
Are we gonna adjust timing without a tack?
We don't need a tack for timing.
I mean, not timing, the carb.
I don't know. We'll have to figure that out.
Just gonna do it?
Yeah. Maybe do it by ear. I don't know.
Sounds good. To end us off.
Merry Christmas. Oh, that's already passed. Yikes. Stop talking. Stop. Hey, put in your special music. Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom.
Are you good, Tit?
I'm great.
You think you can keep it under control?
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
Jesus.
We're working here.